kitchen. Washer and dryer. That's so cool. Sorry. Sorry. Chloe, you can say hi to the video. You have me on a YouTube channel. Look at the room. Wowzers.
Let me take that picture.
So you have a bathroom in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so there's two bathrooms. There's a bathroom over there too.
I hope there's two bathrooms.
And you have the bathroom too.
Yeah.
Let me take my picture, just one.
Wow.
Yeah, by the TV.
That's massive. And here is a room tour. Wow. So this is the Shadow Ridge Marriott in Palm Springs or Palm Desert. I've stayed here before, but this is just super nice with 2 bedrooms. Comes with the 2 bathrooms, kitchen, washer and dryer, everything you need. It's all here. I can't wait to show you what it looks like in the morning. Wow. I'm gonna have fun this weekend. Good morning. Had a great sleep on this beautiful king-size bed. The pillow was comfortable. It was really cold, but that's my fault because like Palm Springs, as you guys know if you've been, it's like 110, 115. So we set the AC to like 65. So my hands are like freezing cold right now. But it was really, really good sleep and good first night. I'm gonna show you the patio right now very quickly. Look at this. Good sized patio and the view. I mean, yes, it's already hot. It's like 9 a.m. There's hiking trails. But many things are still closed in this area. But it's pretty. It's very pretty. Golf course, we don't play. I'm excited to do some laps in here. Empty pool at 9:45. I can dig it. Let's go swimming. They have a volleyball court. That's where we're staying. It's not too hot yet. We have some shade going on. And then a basketball court we're on. We are about to test a drone. Look at the views. Social distancing. And they have a sanitizer, which is amazing. And then many things are still closed, like activities, movie theaters, mini golf, arcade, but mobile menu you can order, right?
Yeah.
How was the drone?
It was really fun.
There's
Practice.
some good content.
Really fun.
We're winding down to sunset. It gets pretty dark already. So pretty. So we really didn't do much this time in Palm Springs just because it was just relaxing. So we really stayed at the resort and used up their amenities. We were swimming for like 3 hours. We tried to barbecue, didn't work out, but a lot of activities are closed, like miniature golf, movie theaters, fitness centers, arcade, basketball courts. They're all kind of closed. So we're just chilling in the room at 65 degrees, watching Netflix, and just trying to unplug, which I love. It's been so fun so far. We are leaving tomorrow already, but tomorrow we're going to Morongo Casino and the Cabazon outlets for some shopping. So we are getting ready to leave Palm Springs. We're gonna go to Morongo and Cabazon outlets, and maybe, just maybe, when we head home, to the new Amazon Fresh store in Woodland Hills to check that out. That's gonna be exciting. But look at this. I'm gonna miss this. It's so nice and pretty and relaxing and hot. Really hot. Jurassic World, Jurassic Park. I'm scared. I mean, come coming to Palm Springs, you have to stop to see the T-Rexes here. Come on now. Look at that. It's busier than normal. It's very windy and dusty and hot. We made it to Cabazon Outlets and Desert Hills. Got some shopping done. Probably too much shopping. Right, Chloe? This is my YouTube channel. That line is massively long. Wow. What's expensive? We made it to the Amazon Fresh in Woodland Hills. There's a line, of course, but we're excited to see what this is. There are 5 cameras. Look at this. Amazing. They have Ask Alexa for assistance. We haven't put anything in the shopping cart yet. So fancy. Kind of heavy to push, but not too bad. Like a heavy weight. So I wanted to talk about the Amazon Fresh store that we visited in Woodland Hills. There are plenty of them opening up around Southern California, so let's stay tuned for that. We're gonna have one in Orange County, or a few, which is really nice, but I couldn't really do a review while being at the store because there's just so much going on. But basically, you wait in line, and to get those dash carts, there's a line for the dash carts, or you can just get a normal shopping cart and, you know, go to a cashier or self-checkout station to pay. But we wait for the dash cart and they wipe it down for you, and there's a worker that explains how to use it. So you link your Amazon account from the app to the cart with the scan QR code. You scan it to the cart and then it links to your debit or credit card, whatever card you use to buy your Amazon stuff. And then they give you 2 brown bags in the cart. And she said there are 5 cameras in the cart, so it sees what you are putting into the cart. And you just start putting things in to go shopping, like as if you would. And then once you are done, you just drive out where you got the cart from, and the receipt should come to your Amazon app, and it should be itemized and tells you what you ordered or bought from the Your Orders section from the app. And that's pretty much it. The carts weren't heavy to push. They were kind of small if you're like buying a lot of items. It was good. It was fun to try it out. I thought like the cart would talk to you for some reason. I'm not sure why I thought the cart would talk to you. But the certain produce you have, you put in the number that's provided into the cart, and then you just update the quantity of it, which is nice. But like the items that you can find at the Amazon Fresh, it's like you could find it at a Walmart neighborhood market or a grocery store. So that part wasn't necessarily like fancy. It was just the cart, the dash cart itself. That's like the fancy thing, and it was good to try out. But I probably wouldn't be like shopping there because A, it's very far from me, so I'll wait for a closer one to open, and B, like I can find things at other grocery stores just similar to Amazon Fresh. But everyone is very nice, and I feel like there are more Amazon Fresh workers in the store than customers, because there are a lot of them doing the online groceries, so they're buying groceries for the customers. So you see like all these Amazon Fresh workers like scanning everything and putting things in bags and then delivering them or having guests pick them up from the store. So there's a lot of them working over there. And you can also do like pickups and drop off returns for Amazon stuff. So it's a lot of stuff there to do. Palm Springs was so fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that bell notification button, and as always, love life, live happy, and I'll see you next time.